say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right, left-handed.
So we all know we've been wearing these masks the last couple of months, but did you ever wonder what was actually inside of them? You are not gonna believe it. It's been cheese all along.
Catwoman was Jonathan Jacobo.
The original pterodactyl ghost.
Spent this whole year inside human interaction by forgot how to socialize. Runners may be awkward high. Runners may be awkward.
Creates the soothing sound of a crackling fire.
Y'all love to complain on this app about 2020, but do you not remember that one year when Meghan Trainor released that song and the band kids got a hold of it? And then they made all those t-shirts? Things could probably be a lot worse.
What the fuck? Do you have to deal with that sound every time?
What sound?
The fucking dryer.
Is that the way it's supposed to be? Hey, that did it. It's fucking dry already. I've been doing laundry a long time, bitch.
Oh my god, dude. Dude, Chris, what happened to the microwave?
I know, it sucks, dude. It broke earlier.
What?
Microwave. It broke.
How?
Well, I was swinging it around and then the cord ripped out and then it tumbled and hit the tree.
That's how was it working before you did this?
Oh yeah, it was working fine until I started swinging it. I know, it sucks, dude.
You just broke it by swinging it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did that.
I'm trying to see what I get. Oh, what is that? No! No! Are you breathing?
Because I love you!
Then stop loving me!
I can't!
Well, that's the problem. We don't work.
I know.
We agree.
What does LGBTQ plus mean? Like, is it the premium version of gay?
Oh, what? Is this allowed? Yo, you good, bro? Are you dancing?
It's okay, I know nothing's wrong.
Yeah!
I don't wear makeup for men. I wear makeup so the bacteria on my skin and the mites in my eyelashes have something to eat every day. Because I'm a good mother.
Never start smoking cigarettes and never go to fucking Arby's. He told me that when I was 6 years old, and I have followed that rule every single day of my life. I will never step foot in a fucking Arby's because he told me not to. And my dad would never lie about Arby's, probably. I hope.
And tan and young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema goes walking, and when she passes, each one she passes.
Sue your parents for having you without your consent. Let's be honest, ladies and gentlemen. Your parents probably acted recklessly. I'm not proposing that you don't have sex. You can have sex. I'm just saying don't do it in a way that leads to having children. That's all I'm asking of you. It's not that much to ask for. How are you going to explain to the children when they're like 14, hate you, have only got 4 followers on Instagram or the equivalent? Just because you want to is not a good enough reason.
How was your day at school today?
My butt was sweating and I had a weird water fart.
My superstar. I love you, Jesus. I love you, Jesus.
Ask what that. Let me see them again. Let me see those. Open them up. And what did you just ask me?
Are they yours? I didn't really think so, but they were in my laundry.
Why eat regular mozzarella sticks when you can eat pepperoni pizza one?
Because that looks weird. Get it away from me.
Oh my god. I literally just broke that, bro. I seriously just broke it. I seriously just broke it. Seriously just broke it. Now what the heck? Oh my god. Everything fine? No. Everything is not fine.
Oh, you'll let me know when you're free? Okay. I'll be with different guys then, so. Charlie, what the fuck?
So, Jen, should we stretch first?
Now, let's just, stay tight and get injured.
Check it out. Luau Cindy. Okay, all right.
What's going on?
That's just something, just tweaked a little something real bad.
I like to rotate until the pain spreads and it's more of a numb everywhere kind of thing.
There it is. You know, it's nice to see how sort of loopy and weird your arms are.
I've got real noodle arms these days.
You know what? I blame Barney for letting me believe that if I love you, you love me. Thanks a lot, you big purple bitch.
I mean, if you poke him enough, he'll move. Is he alive even? Yeah. Oh, he's pissed. He looked at.
I want you to park that Big Mac truck right in this little garage.
So I've made a few TikToks about how I was in a cult, and yes, it's true. People want to know about it, so I guess I will start making like a little series, just a mini series about what my experience was like. Just to start off, I had kind of like driven myself insane, almost like.
Cranberry is to die. The cranberry is to die.
To die?
To die, mi amor. This one, the cranberry.
To die for.
To die for. The cranberry is to die for, and this is the banana gluten banana free, and this is banana.
According to my calculations, I'm drunk.
Just need a couple ice cubes.
Dude, that's literally like so loud. What the fuck?
So we built this path here, but we didn't realize that the gates had to shut. Right, Antonio? The gate won't even close because the road's in the way. What do you think, Antonio?
The air in my city is so toxic that I might fall in love with it.
I need to know who thought it was a good idea to put menthol in body wash. I just took a shower and it feels like my asshole smoked a Newport and my dick just chewed 5 gum.
May I take your hat, sir? May I take your hat, sir? May I take your hat, sir?
Y'all want to see something anxiety-inducing? Watch this. No! Oh, it's okay.
A tisket, a tasket, a red and white basket. Here's some stuff in here for just you.
What's a mouse, right?
There's a place where lovers go to cry.
You have to stop telling your friends that there's a better picture of him. There isn't. Just admit it. He low-key kinda ugly.
Just clearing the negative energy with my new incense. No negative energy here.
Mom, you know Jason Derulo, right? You know the one guy?
I got lipstick stamps on my passport.
No, and it's a really bad idea for someone to kiss your passport. It's a government document.
Well, now they know. Let it go.
Well, I'm basically a minor because I'm 17.
Maybe we should clarify that you're my sister.
I just didn't want you to catch a case. True. Are we about to kiss right now? Just to clarify, I want to touch on with the pull my machine in.
So what, we go out. We get a lighter. That's how it's supposed to be. 'Cause you know I'm high as fuck. Young and wild. Keep that in there free.
This is me walking into the Spirit Halloween bathroom to take a spooky dookie.
There's something off about her. I can't explain it, but she's slipping. And this way, no one else has to get hurt.
Hey, if you were born through C-section, why do we still call it your birthday and not like your release date or some shit? You know?
I wouldn't know though. I came straight from the cooch and now you can't keep me out of it. But not the same one though.
So which one of y'all cried on the Bible?
It was my peck off.
That's one heavy Brita. Oh yeah! Hot dog! Hot dog! Hey, dynamite, turn to $1 million, then we all rich. That's just how I feel.
Be the last one out to get the stove. Don't wait, love one up your bucket head.
This is so good. What did you use in it?
This very expensive gin.
It's going to be a fruit salad treat. The first step, peel your bananas. The second step, toss in some grapes. The third step, chop up some apples.
People constantly doubt my epic athletic expertise. Oh, I get it. I don't look like the average athlete, but I am an absolute fucking unit on the basketball court. That was the move that made LeBron cry.
Oh my god, dude. Okay, this right here, this right here actually drives me up the fucking wall.